In 2019, a total of 463 million people are estimated to be living with diabetes, representing 9.3% of the global adult population 20 to 79 years. This number is expected to increase to 578 million 10.2% in 2030 and 700 million 10.9% in 2045. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults are at risk of developing diabetes in their lifetime? And that early detection and prevention can reduce the risk of diabetes by up to 58%? AITS engineers are working on creating an AI solution to identify individuals at high risk of developing diabetes and get them the help they need before it's too late. Diabetes is a growing epidemic, with 1 in 17 adults currently living with the disease. But even more alarming is the fact that 7 out of 10 people with diabetes remain undiagnosed. Early detection is crucial, as diabetes can lead to serious health complications such as blindness, kidney failure, and amputations. Deep learning solutions can detect onset of diabetes with a dataset collected using patients' vitals including pregnancies, glucose, skin thickness, insulin, blood pressure, BMI, and others. The dataset is then fed to a TinyML platform like cAInvas with preprocessing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Resulting application is ported to a TinyML device connected with an input USB device that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to help others. In conclusion, cAInvas offers a powerful solution for diabetes prediction, utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms to identify individuals at high risk of developing diabetes with an accuracy rate of up to 85%. Early detection is crucial in the fight against diabetes, and with cAInvas, you can take control of your health and reduce your risk of developing diabetes by up to 58%. Don't wait, take the first step towards prevention today and help others with your solution designed with cAInvas. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.